welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today it is Monday evening right now is when I'm starting this. I was filming the whole day my high maintenance routine to stay low maintenance for my Tutorial Tuesday video. So that one is already up and I filmed that for a majority of the day today and part of last night. I'm excited to start a weekly vlog. Normally I start on Saturday, but after the trip to New York, I honestly was just needing a second. I just needed a second to get over the little 3-hour sleep mix up. It honestly was making me so tired. We were just honestly kind of catching up on that. Right now, I unboxed a little bit of PR and I want to show you guys what was in there. The first package is a bunch of powder from Better Days. So they sent their Better Greens caffeinated, they sent their Better Greens non-caffeinated, they sent their Better Hormones caffeinated, their Better Hormones non-caffeinated, Better Sleep, Better Hydration, Better Glow. Like they sent a bunch of them, so I feel like I have my greens and some fun ways to try to like sleep better.
I love you.
I love you.
So proud of you.
Thanks, baby. So proud of you.
You good?
I am good.
Need anything? You good?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'll be back in a little.
You're good.
How did I get so lucky? What was I saying? But anyway, yeah, they sent all of these goodies. I tried the Orange Passion greens this morning and they were actually really good, so off to a great start. And then if you're a makeup girly, this next one is so exciting. Yes, this literally says Too Faced and it's a hot pink little tote bag and it's so cute. Is my life real? I don't know. This is like a childhood dream, but this is actually very good to know information. So we have this Too Faced tote bag. Then they sent their Too Faced Makeup Insurance Longwear Setting Spray. Their Better Than Sex Chocolate Eyeliner. Their Better Than Sex Foreplay Primer. That name is just absolutely wild. Their Hangover Pillow Talk Balm. I actually use that religiously. Their Killer Liner 36-hour liner in Killer Queen, and I think it's kind of like a purple color, which is actually really cool. Their Lip Injection Lip Gloss in Soulmate. There's actually some exciting stuff gonna go on with Too Faced. I'm actually gonna be hosting a giveaway with them. This is a big reason why you guys should check out my Instagram account and my TikTok account, because I do hold giveaways randomly on them, and it's always really fun, of course, to win a giveaway. And since I am a smaller creator, I feel like you have a bigger chance of winning. So definitely go enter into the giveaways. I am baffled right now that I'm doing a giveaway with Too Faced. It's so crazy to me, and dreams do come true. So let this be your sign that if you want to do something, you should always at least try and do it, because you never know what can happen. That's it for PR for today. I also did a fresh set of nails in my nail maintenance video, and I actually really like these. They're like clear with a hint of sparkle. Good morning, beauties. Happy Tuesday. I just uploaded Tutorial Tuesday's video, which was my high maintenance routine to stay low maintenance. So I'll put the link up here, but that is now up. I just got ready and I am about to go meet up with Dylan at a little coffee shop just to get some work done and get organized and, you know, get to hang out while we do it. I really like my outfit that I'm wearing today. I'm trying to give you guys like a little sneak peek, but it's these Amazon cargo pants that are literally my favorite. Then I'm wearing this black Free People tube top and then a Amazon just kind of like ballerina over the shoulder like sleeve thing. And then I just put my hair in a braid. And I did a little bit of makeup. I didn't put on any mascara though, or any foundation or any powder. I'm feeling good. A matcha is definitely needed for today. Like I just need that little extra boost, I think. So I'm really excited to go do this. So let's go to the coffee shop. Okay, I just got to the location. I'm just waiting for Dylan to find parking. I didn't even bring my computer. I brought my book that I'm reading and my calendar because I did everything that I needed to do for work already this morning, and I've been trying to not make my life be so
media focused. I really want to like make the conscious effort to get out of the house more, get out and to do more things, you know what I mean?
I just got back from running around the town and picking up some packages, but while I'm unboxing them, I just want to talk to you guys about the power of your words and like manifestation. It really can change your life. You guys, the power of your words is actually so crazy. Like your self-talk, the way you talk about like your environment, your goals, your dreams, like literally everything, it is so powerful. At certain points in my life, like I realized how I would like accidentally manifest things like exactly how I would say it, and it just baffles me every time that it happens. And it's so true that like manifestation, or like the law of the energy that you put out there is the same energy that comes back, is just so true to me. Your mind is so powerful, and if you're talking so negatively on yourself, your whole world is going to shift to have this like dark lens in front of it, and it's always going to feel like a gloomy day, and that energy just like it circulates back to you. And I just wanted to remind you guys that like positive self-talk, speak to yourself kindly. I know that 99.9% of the time we are our strongest critics. Like you will talk to yourself way meaner than you would let anybody ever talk to you, but you're okay letting yourself do it. Like that is a habit that needs to be broken. I don't know, I just really wanted to emphasize to you guys, I feel like I always tell you guys my mindset and where I'm at, because honestly, I'm just a girl in my 20s trying to figure it out. And I feel like it's so crucial to release yourself of negative self-talk. I don't know, just like in my mind, I've been thinking about it the last few days of like, you really need to let go of that weight. Like it is holding you back so much, caring what other people think about you, like all the negative self-talk, like it's such an anchor. It is such an anchor, and when you let it go, like you will start flying. You really will start flying. That was my little like confidence boost, pep talk. You freaking got this. Okay, let's open some of these PR packages. First one was from Makeup Forever, and they sent a brush and their HD Skin Essentials palette, like their face essentials palette. This is what it looks like. First of all, is that not the perfect travel deal? Because like that is so thin and you have so many products inside. Thank you so much, Makeup Forever. Okay, I think this next thing is like a perfume. Wait, is this Ashley Tisdale? Did I just get PR from Sharpay Evans? Hold on, I need to soak this in. So this is Ashley Tisdale's, I think her home scent kind of deal. I'm so excited for this right now. Let's really get into this. So we have their Soothe and Comfort Cashmere Vanilla Soothing Body Serum infused with magnesium and squalene. That smells nice actually. Okay, the next thing we have is a Unwind and Reset Lavender Cloud Hand Serum. That smells really, really nice too. Stop it right now. There's a Palo Santo Sage Body Wash. If you guys know me personally, I really, really love Palo Santo. I have 2 wood piles of Palo Santo in my room right now and sage in my room. My gosh, that smells so good. I'm also almost out of my body wash right now. Like I'm 1 more use away from it being done, so this could not have come at a more perfect time. And there's 3 perfumes: Lavender Cloud, Palo Santo Sage, and Cashmere Vanilla. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. Thank you so much, Being Frenchie. I cannot believe this, and thank you so much, Ashley Tisdale. These are bomb. These are amazing. I feel like there's a lot of celebrities that have came out with products, and there's a lot that I've tried that I've really liked, and I can tell that they've actually put their own interest in it, and some that I feel like is a cash grab. That is amazing, and I really, really like the scents. Like that's quality in my opinion. This last one is a big box from Unite Hair. Okay, inside, this is my favorite hairspray. Then they have their volumizing dry shampoo. I fly like through dry shampoo like crazy. Then they have their volumizing spray. Then we have their blonde daily conditioner, their glossing shine spray, their blonde shampoo. This is a dream come true. Thank you so much, Unite. Like I said earlier, you guys, you can do anything that you put your mind to. I had people that laughed at my account when I first started. Here we are. I'm still doing it like 10 years later. I still love doing Beauty Alyssa Rose. I love reviewing products and I love playing with makeup. That's the most important thing. Do what you love, spread love, positivity, happiness, be grateful for every little thing in your life. You can do anything you put your mind to, okay? I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and thank you so much to these brands as well for supporting me. I love you guys, and I will be back in a little bit because we're gonna go to yoga. Woohoo! Guys, I'm so excited to do some yoga. Last time I was so cold that I couldn't even enjoy Shavasana because I was literally shaking of being so cold because I was right next to the door and the door doesn't fully close, so the wind was just hitting me underneath and it was like a rainy day. So I'm wearing this like really comfy, cozy quarter zip, and hopefully that'll keep me warm so that I can enjoy Shavasana. Welcome to the yoga pregame. Good morning. Don't look at the pimple on my forehead in the smack center of my face. Today is Too Faced giveaway launch day, and I'm gonna take you guys through the content of it. Normally I would have something like this prepped and planned at least a day in advance, but my creative juices were just not flowing. And then I woke up this morning and boom, the ideas were there. We're going to put them into action. So we're gonna start with shooting the actual products that I'm sent. So then that way in my feed, I have like the photo where people will enter the giveaway. The rules are all there. And then once that is done and uploaded, I'm gonna begin the process of filming a video using all of the products and like filming a look and then taking pictures with the look after. And I have the perfect idea for how I want to do that part too. So, and what perfect day to do this than a rainy, gloomy day. We're gonna take the pictures down. I'm gonna take you through the whole process. You guys are gonna do a little content creation with me. Look who's here. You're so pretty. You're a little jumper. This is Harley. I know I normally show Aspen, but that's because Harley keeps to herself a lot. But she does like coming up to my room. Oh, and she's gonna steal a sock and then go. Okay, I grabbed a few more products and I'm gonna take a few pictures like this, see how it works, and then maybe rearrange it again and see if I like it a different way. Just so we have options. Okay, that was the first set of pictures. Now I'm gonna reorganize it, rearrange it, maybe get some different products, and then take the second round of photos. Okay, so I just took some of the photos and just kind of like planned it out with my feed, and I realized it's just too pink. So I'm actually gonna try to do something different and take out the pink tote bag just so that it looks cohesive and nice, and it just was too pink for the feed, like it didn't make any sense. And I found this really cool like mirror, and so I think I'm gonna put the products on the mirror and try to photograph it like that. So let's hope this works. Okay, this is kind of what it looks like. I feel like it's really cool. I'm just gonna need to be really good at not like being in the photo. I will say that giveaways are like one of my favorite things to do on my account. Like I feel like it's so fun, and like it's so fun winning a giveaway, and especially because I'm a much smaller creator, people have a really high chance of winning. It's just a really fun thing to do on my account. I'm so grateful for Too Faced too, including me in this giveaway. I went through and found a picture that I really liked, and I edited it, like just color graded it a little bit, sharpened up the photo, and I posted the giveaway. So the giveaway is up. We already have an entry. I'm excited. So the giveaway is now live. Go enter in if you want. I'm going to create some more content to be posting throughout the next 48 hours of the giveaway to get people excited. And now I'm in the robe that I'm gonna shoot in. I'm kind of going for the inspo of like when a makeup artist just did your makeup, you're like still in your robe and they do it and it's like the makeup is what they're showcasing. Like you even still might have your like hair clips in, but like the makeup is so slay, and then they like bronzing up the chest. That's the goal. Okay, this is the finished look, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. You guys will definitely have to take a look at my Instagram and see how the pictures turned out. And now we just need to go over to the studio and edit it all. I have edited all of the pictures and videos. The only thing I have left to do is to edit this video and upload it. It felt so good to literally sit down for a few hours and just play with makeup. I really do think that it kind of like reawoken my love for creative makeup. I just like used to do the craziest makeup and I had so much fun doing it. And I definitely want to bring that back. I just realized that I also had 100 milligrams of caffeine in my greens this morning. So I've had like 400 milligrams of caffeine today. So after this, I'm definitely think I'm going to go to the gym and like try to work off all of the energy that I had. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys on next Tutorial Tuesday. Have an amazing rest of your day. And don't forget, you can create your dream life. It starts with you. Mwah. Bye, beauties.